Hi, in this video I will show you how to manage your candidates. So after your campaign is published, you will get the candidates menu and hopefully you will receive a lot of candidates. But you can see over here that there are several stages on the candidate board which help you keep an overview of the candidates. So in the first stage, applied, you will receive all incoming candidates. And then when you click on a candidate, you can see the answers of the candidates to the application form. So for example, which field of studies and some other questions that you may have asked in the application form. Also the contact details and the communication methods. Also, you have the contact details and also you can see the communication with the candidate. So as you can see, first initial emails that are being sent is the thank you for your application and also the question to send the resume afterwards. And this email is only being sent when candidates do not apply with their CVs including. So as you can see, there are some automated mails already being sent, the application confirmation mail, but also the mail that is being sent to candidates that did not submit their resume during the application form. And they are asked to do so still after the application. So you can also choose to write your emails and you can write a text yourself. You can also ask the sympl AI to write a text. But you can also select one of the templates. And I will show you how to create and adjust your own email templates in a separate video. But you should know that these are meant for you to easily use and reuse the same email templates, but dynamically and personalized to each candidate, because there are some variables that are being replaced by for example, the candidate's first name, but also the job type and also the name of the user sending the email. So I will show you more on how to create those templates in a separate video. You have also the opportunity to give the candidate a certain label and also to write a note. So for example, you want to say this candidate has a lot of experience and you may press save. And you will see that candidate is now labeled and you also see the note that you have added, so which will help you give an overview easily of the different notes of a candidate. But also this will help you collaborate with several colleagues that may also want to follow up on certain of the candidates. So let's say you really find this candidate interesting. You can move to interesting by clicking here, or you can drag it around the board. Let's say you have another candidate that you did not find a very good match. Then you can also select to end the procedure. And if you want to do that, you can also use one of the end procedure templates. For example, you find that the candidate has not the right experience and then automatic email is being sent. But you can also, of course, choose to add or write your own text entirely by yourself. Okay, then all the way at the right, you have also the column hired, which hopefully you are able to fill with one or more of the candidates. And you can also use the search function. For example, if you want to find Chandler, then the candidate here is being shown. Extending on that, we have also the candidate pool. So let's say you manage a lot of vacancies and you are in contact with a specific candidate, but you don't exactly remember on which campaign he or she applied. You can select the button over here at the top left, and then you can type in a name. So let's say Rachel, and then you see that she has actually applied for two different vacancies. And then once you click that, you will be able to move towards the candidate, which can also be very helpful, for example, when you receive a call from one of the candidates. Then there's two other fun options. You can decide in which way you would like to order the candidates. So you can sort it by date or by name. And you will see that the order of the candidates then changes. And you may also want to export your candidates into a CSV file, which you can, of course, use in separate ways. Yeah, so that's about it for managing candidates. Then finally, when you have a candidate that did already give their CV within submitting the application, you will find it here. So you can see, you can view the CV, but you can also download it here, as well as the application form. If you have any more questions about managing candidates or more information you would like to know, please go to our help center. You'll find several articles about this topic, and you can also send us a message if you need any further assistance. All right. Thank you for watching.